What? Kiki was eaten by an apple? Oh no, it was an apple-shaped Kiki. First, take a white stick. Measure about 1 finger length and mark it, then twist it around. Kiki's head starts to take shape. Cut off the excess, pull out the loose fibers. Roll a small ball. Apply glue to the center of the ball. Take a piece of red gauze. Wrap it around to create Kiki's apple-shaped headpiece. Make the red part slightly wider at the top of Kiki's head. This will give it a cute, rounded face effect. Wrap it around and around. Use the red gauze again. Pull out the loose fibers. Cut it into the shape of an apple. Leave the two ends slightly longer. Fold it in half. Cut off the excess stick. Shape it into an apple. Then fold the stem of the apple into shape. Now let's start assembling. Add the eyes and nose and transform. Isn't it simple and cute? You can also make one for your best friend. Go ahead and make one.